Hi, this is Tom Ecker coming at you live, and just wanted to go over InfoWorks. Derek, JJ, Deanna, David. This is for the Cartmel project. Wanted to just record the screen here with Model Builder. What I'm doing is I'm going in and using the online Model Builder. We know it's going to be somewhere in Texas here. The beginning of the project, the impetus would be basically to upload an area of interest. So we can draw a rectangle is the best way to do it. If we have a polygon, we can upload that or import it. So what the best way to do, I mean, the best practices is to click in here, import a polygon, and then it's going to be looking for a shape file that you can actually pull that in, and InfoWorks will then wrap it around it. So on my other computer over there, maybe it's there, one of the two, is going to be the export of KMZ of the project. Now we're going to notice on the screencast over there that's at a 5,000, 5,000, so the bottom left-hand corner begins in the survey local grid system. InfoWorks is going to allow us to rubber sheet and bring those plans in. Derek, just like you said, with the PDFs for the design, we're going to extrude those out and get some buildings, some good representation to go out as an IMX file as well as an FBX file. But for now, we have to go in, and I want to say West Reagan Street, and so a lot of times the search is pretty good. R-E-A-G-A-N maybe, Street, Palestine. Reagan is R-E-A-G-A-N, Street, Palestine. Not a real big spot, but here it is, 75801. When you do that, you grab your area of interest. I'm looking at a pretty solid West Reagan here. My guess is there's loop 256. So our project is right around in here. I'm going to go in. I've got 11 square kilometers. Try to keep it within about 12. We're just going to call this one Truth Rope Thingy. Is T-H-I-N-G-Y. And then this is going to be the model. So I hit create model. It's going to do a snapshot. Area does not define. Duh! I got to do my current map selection. And map extents. Yeah, let's do map extents on that one. Truth rope thingy kicking out. Showing the details. First thing I do is I come in here and grab a screen capture of that. New. Hit model builder. Voila. Hit close. Edit, copy, and trying to integrate that with Slack dot something or other. I can do right click paste. This is just huge. Image is INFRA works splash. Now I call everything splash partially because of Florida. Partially, you know, so when I look in the webcam, I don't look as fat. There's something going on, but splashes are pretty cool. When we look down here, there it is. Everybody knows now at 11:51 time that we close. I'm going to close out our model builder here. I'm going to then show you that within a few moments, Truth Rope Thingy shows up. We click on that. It's going to download aerial imagery. There are 3 components. It's the surface model. It's a DSM, raster geotiff that comes from the national map, NGS, USGS, RSVP, AWOL. All those acronyms of the federal government, as well as the line work on the alignments, whether it's a water feature, whether it's a road feature. I'm going to pause the recording of Camtasia. Let's just throw Camtasia out here. We don't do enough to show Camtasia in the fact that it's one of my favorite software packages in the world. I believe I can hit F10